That's breaking the law. You're breaking the law. You guys have us here. You say you're breaking the law, but you're breaking the law right now.
I'm occupying a public place.
There's no restrictions anymore.
Who's the judge? Who's the judge?
There is still restrictions.
What's the
guys.
judge's
Yeah, but
name?
I was just in a court hearing with Halifax Police, and we filled that whole room up.
Okay, each courthouse has their own security or own.
Each.
So the judge can just make up whatever he
It's at
wants.
the judge's discretion.
It is at the judge's discretion. So.
Who's the judge? What's their name?
Judge's discretion.
Judges
What's the
don't
judge's
make the law
name?
either.
What is the judge's name?
Who's the judge?
Yeah, the judge don't write laws, right?
When he comes
They
to
uphold
the-
laws, right? That's what the courts are for.
Folks, unfortunately, the judges do have the ability to limit the numbers into the courtroom. It's under the Provincial Court Act.
For what reason?
Provincial.
When our families here and want to go in
Yeah.
and have our family,
I don't know.
we want to support our
You want
family.
to step over there for a second, please? Okay, thanks.
We want to
You
support.
guys are breaking the law right now.
So we're not breaking law.
Yes, you are. It says right there. Look,
What's that?
60
60 people.
This is a
So-
public
Okay.
place.
So under the Provincial Court Act, the judges can still maintain the amount of people inside the court. So we spoke to the judge before. They said they can do it for any matter whatsoever. So the judge
Why for this matter are you deciding
because
that?
of COVID.
So
they're
can
still
we
living
go
with
there
as
is no
a,
COVID.
There's no COVID though. Like
It's
COVID's
over now.
It's
The climate
I'm not-
crisis is
The
coming
masks
next.
don't work.
So
They
can
don't
we
I'm
go
not gonna
in
argue that with you.
individually as an
Under the provincial
observation
court, okay?
person? Can I observe the court individually?
You cannot. So the judge has said that they're allowing one
That's
support
bullshit.
person in for each. So unfortunately, we don't have an option. The judge has given us that direction beforehand, and we're going to follow that direction.
And you sign that direction?
What's that? No, the judge doesn't sign any direction. He just
No,
gives us the
you
direction.
signed that
Who's
direction.
the judge?
It's Judge Shear.
Judge Shear.
Did you sign that direction to uphold?
I don't get what you're saying.
Like to stop us? Like
No,
from
the-
entering the
no,
court?
if the
Did you
judge
have to
says-
sign a
no, I don't
waiver
have to sign
stating that
anything.
you're gonna stop us?
No, if the judge says that we're permitting only one person, then that's how it works.
So what's your job description?
What's that? I'm the
Which-
inspector here at Dartmouth Provincial Court.
Okay, what is your description in your job title?
I'm the inspector for Dartmouth Provincial Court.
Okay.
So I'm the commanding officer for this particular courthouse.
Okay.
So when a judge gives me an order, I follow the order.
Even if the judge is stopping the people, so the two people that are represented that are in there today are
Correct.
not representing themselves.
So the
or they're
provincial
representing
bullshit's
themselves.
always
They're not
fucking with us,
representing
even
the
though we're
board.
fucking
Correct.
They
federal.
actually have a team of knowledge holders and experts that are to be there. I'm one of those people, but I'm not allowed in there to support him.
So unfortunately, that is at the discretion of the judge. And
So-
under the
Yeah, but does the
court-
judge know
To follow
this?
That's
through,
not a
so
fair
just to
fucking
follow this
trial.
through,
No, I
you're
guess
saying that
fucking
a
not.
judge
That's not
can
a fair trial.
A judge can get rid of hundreds of years of common law precedent that the people have a right to see.
Let's just
the,
go in.
the carrying out of
The
justice.
fuck are they gonna do?
What I'm
The
saying-
judge can just say no. There's no more
What-
public trials
No,
that are
no,
happening. We're
absolutely
only
not.
doing what because of
No,
misplaced
because-
Bud, you wear your
That's
mask
what
too
they just
much.
fucking did.
and
Well,
there's
I
no
understand-
pandemic. In-
Well, I understand your position. We are still acting under certain COVID protocols, so they are still.
That's
limited.
fucking bullshit.
Which
Yeah,
ones?
it
They've
is
been
bullshit.
dropped.
That's fucking
that?
bullshit.
Which- there's-
So, just one second.
That's fucking snaky and fucking sneaky.
For you to use COVID to keep
So
us
this
out
was
of the fucking
provided
courtroom
to
the
support our
public
fucking
to the press
person?
on November 14th, and it's still in effect.
Are you fucking
Okay,
kidding?
council, media, and members of the public are reminded that given the unique position of the courts, what's that? Like, you have a different biology or a different.
You guys can do whatever the
health?
fuck you want. That's what it sounds like to me.
Masks will continue to be mandatory in public areas of Nova Scotia courthouses until further notice. Masking inside courtrooms is strongly encouraged, but will be at the discretion of the presiding judge. So it's not actually about science, it's about the whim of the judge. It doesn't matter really, it's just up to their own
Exactly.
fears.
So the judge can
Unlike
just fucking
others-
limit how many lawyers I have?
Just let them read it.
Unlike other
Again, I
public
can't speak
spaces
to
in
that.
society,
The provincial
We're all
court
right
act-
out here, but not in there. There's a big difference in
Yeah.
out here than in there.
Because the
You
judge.
see what, you look around and everybody's in a spot, same space.
Yeah.
How come we can't
What's
be in
the
there?
difference?
Okay, so it says physical distancing and capacity limits remain in the provincial courts for intake or arraignment court.
Correct.
Or if there's but the capacity limit says right there it's 60.
60.
So the capacity limits are overridden for COVID. So
That's a lie.
But that's not
just
even
something
real.
you just
What do you
made
mean?
up
That's
now.
just one. So
Where does it say
what's
Yeah, you
that?
guys look stupid, eh? This is stupid. It looks
So I'm not
stupid.
going to speak.
That's
to
a
the
sneaky
science.
ass fucking loophole and you fucking know it.
Yeah, you do know it
Yeah.
too.
Why don't you stand up
So
for
that
us
judge
and
is
let
gonna
us in?
sit there and fucking limit how many fucking lawyers somebody can have?
No, they can't. Not lawyers, but the public.
Andrew,
they
you
can.
run this court. Why don't you
He
stand
just
up for
fucking
us and
said-
let us in?
Because the judge has given me.
We have
an
no
order.
But he doesn't
symptoms.
have lawyers.
We're
'cause he's
wearing
not, because the
masks.
lawyers are part of the system, and he's representing a treaty
Yeah.
right.
Yes.
So he needs his people and the experts and the people with information to be there to
So
help
it
him
would
with
be
that.
his
You guys ain't gonna get
responsibility
away
to
with
go and
this.
Talk to the judge and represent that, and then get the judge's permission.
What
to
about
evaluate
you?
it.
Why
But
can't
that's
you
not
help
how-
us?
that's not
Because
how
Isn't
I,
this your
so,
job?
no, so as a sheriff, I don't advocate for any particular people, so we're neutral to the
You
process.
just advocate
Like
for the
fuck
judge?
you are
No.
neutral to the fucking process.
Who do you get your
Are you
paycheck
fucking
from?
insane? Like, do you listen to yourself?
From
Can you hear the
taxes.
stuff that are coming out of your mouth?
Yeah, that's
Like, you guys
insane.
are fucking insane. Limited in fucking people's
Unbelievable.
support network that are going into fucking provincial court in a fucking public fucking domain building. Are you fucking insane?
Well, I understand your frustration, I really do.
You're fucking right. I'm fucking frustrated.
But I'm limited by what the judge says, so.
You're a
once you're-
fucking puppet doing.
Can we speak to the judge?
Yeah.
What's that?
Can we speak to the
If
judge?
your people that are in there want to speak to the judge, then he can ask, but the judge isn't gonna let you in to
So
speak.
can we
Well,
write
get
a
his ass over
complaint
here
with
then.
you about this judge and about
You
this
absolutely could.
bullshit?
And I'll just provide, so you can.
We want the
provide whatever.
forms. We want to complain right now. We
Yes.
want to write. We want to document this.
So, I will find out what forms you need.
I want a better explanation than just the judge don't fucking want you in there. That's the craziest fucking thing I ever heard. Just because the judge don't like somebody in there having a support system, you guys are gonna fucking say no, go on and get the fuck out of here?
Yeah.
It has to do with limiting the numbers during.
That's not what it is.
I know.
It's
I know.
fucking
We're
telling
all
you.
on here right now.
Why are we all in here then?
That's
Yeah.
fucking
We're
bullshit.
Micmac people. This is
fucking know it.
unceded Micmac territory.
That's
you're
right.
on.
I'm not a
We
fucking
belong
servant
in
to
that
the fucking
courtroom.
British
And
fucking
you
crown
know
or
it.
its fucking Canadian government.
I understand that.
You
I'm a
say
fucking
every
ally
day
here.
in your meetings that this
Them
is
people are
unceded
in there
Micmac
in
territory.
fucking their own free will.
I understand.
In good fucking faith.
Yes.
And you guys won't let them have their support system?
What the
Are you
fuck?
fucking insane?
And they can speak to the judge to that, so for the next appearance, they can make provisions for that, but this is a first appearance, so I don't have the ability to go in and dictate to the judge.
Well, you guys better fix this kangaroo fucking court system
Yeah,
you
we
got
wanna
going on here. This is a
document this.
fucking Mickey Mouse fucking joke.
Yeah.
That's a fucking joke. We all come down here to support our fucking brother that's in there being
Yeah.
fucking
our
unjustly
family.
fucking charged, being vilified and criminalized for fucking nothing, for exercising his fucking rights that your ancestors and my ancestors signed so that you guys can occupy here and colonize
right.
this shit.
Treaties involve us
Come on,
all.
man. They're called peace and friendship treaties. We didn't see no fucking land. We're allies to you guys.
Yeah.
We're not your fucking servants.
I understand that. And I'm just telling you what my position is that I've been given direction by the courts and I have to follow it. Sir, you can't.
Well,
can't
he needs to
afford me
fucking.
that, Okay?
Andrew, we want those documents
that
so
off.
we can document this.
What?
I'm gonna ask you to put your phone away.
What act is this?
This is the Provincial Court Act, so if you want, I can provide you with a copy of the
Yeah.
Provincial Court Act.
Yeah. So
Fucking
where's
bullshit.
the documents where we can
So let me find out for you, because I don't have them at my fingertips, so give me a few moments to figure that out.
this is the
I'll get it
first
back to
time
you.
this ever happened?
Yes.
Really?
What?
So this is the
First time?
So this is why.
Oh, just told on himself. Fucking dummy.
So how the hell do you know what's going on? This is the first time you're doing
So, for the most part, we've had to limit people. They've agreed and said, okay, we understand we're gonna limit people.
What, today?
What's that?
What,
No, whenever,
today?
so we've been
What's
doing this
that?
for months. We've been doing this for months.
They said it's the first time they've limited.
Yeah, the
No.
first time.
No, it's not the first time we've done this. It's the first time we've had it challenged. Public like this.
Challenged?
Most people.
They wouldn't let us in.
Most people just lay the fuck over, right? Stick their ass up in the air.
We want to file a complaint with you, Andrew.
Yeah, you have
Right
your
now.
paperwork?
You're fucking right.
Let me find out what we can
That's
do
all
with that,
file
and I'll
one.
get back to you. So, are you gonna be sticking around for a bit?